You quit dropshipping because you think this is a saturated business and it is hard to succeed. What if I give you my secret formula for completely free that helped me to make this much money every single month? And you can do the same if you follow every single step of this video. Ready? Let's move on. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor PRBoost.io. Want to instantly boost your brand with real media exposure? PR Boost is your complete press release and digital PR solution trusted by thousands plus clients. Get featured on top tied sites, build credibility and reach millions. Over 60 million impressions, 200 plus satisfied clients and 6 strategic services, all designed to push your brand forward. Just submit your details and their team will write and distribute your press release. And your brand get published across all major media outlets. With flexible pricing, fast turnaround and guaranteed placement, PR Boost makes your professional PR simple, transparent and affordable. Ready to elevate your brand? Visit PR Boost today and unlock media exposure that actually drives results. Alright, the very first thing we do is the niche research. To do a proper niche research, we'll use Google Trends. Because this is the most powerful and free tool to use, but most dropshippers ignore it, that's why they face failure. So let me show you how to use this tool. So go to trends.google.com, open the Explore section and select the country where you want to start dropshipping. Keep all the other settings the same as mine. Now type your search term. For example, I'll use car accessory, but you can choose any niche of your choice and then press enter. You can see that car accessory has a steady popularity in United States, which is a good sign. It means it can be a profitable niche as long as you follow all the steps I'll be sharing. Next, use the keyword research tool to check how many people are searching for your keyword and how competitive it is. Tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz, SimilarWeb or any other alternative can work great for this. Once you're done analyzing your keyword, now it's time to find the reliable, trustworthy dropshipping supplier. You'll find many dropshipping suppliers on Google, but few of them are reliable. I personally choose Fulfillment.com as my dropshipping supplier because they offer fast shipping, high quality product and great customer support. Always pick the dropshipping supplier that offers quick delivery. Fulfillment ships in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy and Spain, and 3 to 5 days to UK and France through their private shipping line. Look, every customer wants a fast delivery. If your store shows longer delivery time, they might lose interest and may not choose to buy from your store. Another big reason to choose Fulfillment is their product quality. They have their own warehouses in China where they keep the products in excellent condition for customer satisfaction. And if you have hot selling items, you can store your inventory in their warehouse for free. Whenever you receive a new order, Fulfillment will ship the item through their own private line with custom packaging options like your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes, and many more. Their customer support is really great. Their refund and return policy is very simple as well. Overall, Fulfillment makes the dropshipping much easier and more reliable. Fulfillment also provides a product photography service to boost the conversion and sale. You can connect Fulfillment with Shopify store, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and more, which makes the dropshipping process much smoother and automated. Okay, once you completed your niche research and you have selected Fulfillment as your dropshipping supplier, in the next step, make sure you have a website to sell your products. And let's say you don't have a website and you don't know how to build one. I've already created several videos how to build a website or how to build a dropshipping store. You can check out all those videos, link in the video description. Website creation is a long process, so I cannot include that part in this video. But if you want fast and beginner-friendly option, I recommend to choose Shopify. It starts with just $1 a month for 3 months. Link in the video description. Finally, it's time to promote your products. If you just launch your website and want fast result, use Facebook ads. So very first thing you need is Facebook Ad Manager account. So make sure create one. And then verify your domain name. Make sure add pixel to it to track the user behavior on your site. Also create a Facebook page and Instagram account. Next, set up the conversion or sale campaign. I usually create 3 ad sets with the minimum budget of $5 to $10 each, make sure each ad set should target different audience. And let the campaign run for at least 3 days to gather enough data. Now let's take a look at the following rule for best conversion.
On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase.
In my advanced Facebook ad course, I'll show you when to scale your campaign and what is the ideal CPC should be and much more. Your job is to track your Facebook ad campaign daily. If your campaign doesn't follow the rule, stop it and try a different product. This way you won't lose your money. I'm also planning to create a full dedicated video on Facebook ads for dropshipper. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss it. And that's all for today's video. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.